Keep watching, I have a giveaway at the end of this video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to create this beautiful look for you guys. This is get ready with me for wedding guest tutorial, and I have used all the products which are under 200 rupees. There is only 3 products which is not under 200, but those are under 350. Like 2 of them is under 300. There is only one item which is 350 rupees. And also if you don't have any of this, don't worry, you can use whatever products you have. So guys, if you want to see how I create this beautiful look, then please keep on watching. First, I'm going to take the COLORFEEL primer and I'm going to apply this all over my face. You can just use this on your T-zone as well. Next up, I'm taking this Pond's BB cream in the shade 02, and I'm just going to blend this with my Plume Beauty sponge. Next, I'm taking this NYBAE Contour Conceal Stick. I'm in the shade 06 for my concealer. And this is the first time I'm using this concealer, you guys. I just started blending this. It took a little bit time, but after that I really loved the finish. It blended really nicely. If you want me to review this, do let me know in the comment section below. Now for my cream contour, I'm using the shade number 14, and this was also the first time I'm using this shade, and it blended out quite nicely, but I found it was too light, so again I went ahead and applied another layer of this and then blended it with my Sigma brush. And the finish is so good. I absolutely love this concealer. These are very inexpensive. I think this retails for rupees 175 each. Next up, I'm taking this RIMMEL Stay Matte Long Lasting Pressed Powder in the shade 05 Silky Beige, and I'm going to just set my face with this. For my blush, I'm using the Miss Claire blusher in the shade number 39. For my highlighter, I'm using eyeshadow by INCOLOR, and I'm going to apply this all over my highest points of my face, including my lips, chin, also my nose. Now I'm just setting my face with the COLORFEEL setting spray, and I'm just going to let it dry, and while it's drying, I'm just going to fill in my brows with the Fashion Brow by Maybelline. This is the cream pencil in the shade grey. Starting up with my eye makeup, first I'm just going to conceal it with the same concealer by NYBAE. For my eye makeup, I will be using my favorite Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette. First, I'm taking this burnt orange shade on my crease, and I'm just going to place it down and then blend it with the same brush. The brush here I'm using is from My Glam, and this is their eyeshadow blending brush. Now taking this orange shade on my Pack 204 brush, and I'm going to blend this shade on my crease as my transition shade. Guys, make sure you take your time to blend your eyeshadow. Now taking this chocolatey brown shade with the previous My Glam brush, and I'm going to place this shade on my outer and inner corner of my eye. Now taking this gold shade in a shader brush, and I'm just going to apply this all over my eyelid. Firstly, I am going to mention this is very pigmented. This is a dry eyeshadow, and look at that pigmentation. Applying this shade on my lower lash line and smoking it out, and next I'm going to take that burnt orange shade and I'm also going to smoke that on my lower lash line. Now taking this Stay Quirky Badass Kajal, applying this on my waterline. I will also tightline my eyes with this. Now taking this chocolatey brown shade on my Vichy Pro Smudger brush, and I'm just going to smudge this very close to my waterline. For my mascara, I'm using this Essence I Love Extreme Creasy Volume Mascara, and this is the most expensive thing I'm using in this video. Now for my falsies, I'm using this. This one retails for rupees 150 only, and you can buy this from Rian Shahu. I'm going to mention their address down in my description box below. For my eyeliner, I'm using the Stay Quirky Liquid Eyeliner. Applying the same highlighter on my inner corner and my brow bone. Lastly, for my lipstick, I went with the NYBAE lipstick in the shade Lit. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it, and if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. Also guys, do let me know which tutorials you like, voiceover or talk through. It will help me a lot. We have hit 20k subscribers, so here's a giveaway for you guys. So there will be two winners. First winner will get this hamper and the second one will get this hamper. So I have included some of my PR lipsticks in this giveaway. Those are sanitized, and my Lakme foundation. And also I asked you guys on Instagram for the Lakme foundation, should I add this on giveaway, and 90% said yes, so that's why I have added this on my giveaway. Also I have added some of my favorite products like Swiss Beauty eyeshadow, Pond's BB cream, sugar scrub, and many more. So guys, the rules for the giveaway is you have to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below why do you like watching my videos. This will definitely motivate me for my upcoming videos as well. So I am going to pick two random winners whenever I hit 500 likes in this video. So definitely share this video with your friends and family and ask them to participate, or subscribe to my channel and like this video. So thank you for watching. Hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Mwah. Bye guys.